Hey cuties. And this video, holy crap, it's so windy out. Wow. I am going to clean my room again. And I'm also gonna change my room, change my bed, and move furniture around. I think I know how I want it. Either I want this bed like I have more than one. I think I want it like this, or the way I had it before, where my, because I'm kind of tired of having it by the window because, well, one, I can't lay all the way in because of the, I will hit my head, so my feet are like hanging over the bed. It's easier for spiders to get into my bed because they come from the window for some reason. Ignore me there. But I was thinking if I can have my bed here, and this one, yeah, that's a YouTube video, and this one I could have like here. My mirror, I'm not sure, maybe there or here. Also ignore, I cut these shorts myself and they go up my butt all the time. They're very comfortable though, and they don't show my butt, they just go between my butt cheeks. I'm gonna start with taking everything at like the small basic stuff, like bed sheets, decorations, so I don't ruin anything. And then I will move the bigger furniture, like this. I always move that out because it's in the way when I move my bed. Let's get rid of the basic stuff too, and this video will be like a mix of me talking and speed, when I speed it up. So yeah, a lot of you like to see me clean and change and stuff, and I think it's fun. So, and I've asked you on Instagram if you wanted to see it, and most of you, like 99% of you, said yes. This next clip will be sped up, so let's get started, right? Oh my god, why? Oh! Oh! Yeah. Fact about me, I'm actually pretty calm now. But usually I freak out even more. I need to get the vacuum cleaner because I am not taking that myself and putting it outside. I don't want to kill it, but at the same time I won't pick it up and take it outside. Because my dad is not home, so I can't do it myself. I'm shaking, I can't swear. Okay, so this thing, I think I'm gonna move it here, but I will first see how it looks with this standing here, and maybe I will have my mirror here like I had before, but yeah, we'll see how it looks. Sometimes you just have to move things around even if you think it's not gonna look good. What? Someone just called me from Sudan. Is that how you say it in English? Sudan? What the heck? I don't know if you can see right there. South Sudan? Is that how you say it? Yeah, that looks fine, doesn't it? Maybe the mirror here. Or maybe my record player there. I'm gonna see what I want with it. No, but this looks good. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna sort my underwear too because it's everywhere. What the fuck is going on? Let's remove all of this and clean up. I accidentally, I don't know, something happened before I lighted my candle and it exploded. And it got a burn mark on this, that's why I put this on. So, just so you know, if you see it, I'm gonna paint it over later when I get paint. So, now let's just remove all this and clean it up. I think you can see that right there. I tried to, I don't know what it's called, but like, you know, when you, or whatever, it didn't disappear, so I'm gonna paint it later. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I don't know how else to fix it, so, yeah. Look how cute this is. Yeah, that looks good. I don't know if I should put something over it, you know, to like a sheet or whatever. Maybe something just super simple. I wish you were here, and it's so wrinkly. I wish you were here with me to, I mean, I can start it live to ask you guys. Say hi. I don't know if you can see. There we go. Hi. Oh my god, focus. There we go. Hello. Okay, so I have I started live and I asked you which like sheet thingy I should have on this little I keep forgetting the name. You keep telling me and I keep forgetting it. But you know, the one I keep my clothes in, and you voted for this one, so, and I think it looks the best too. And I'm gonna use these floral bed sheets. Dresser, yeah. Okay, I ended the live, and now I'm gonna put the decoration things on here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the mirror. And actually, I ironed this, but it didn't turn out any better, so whatever. Guys, I got a glass, wait, I can show you. I got a little glass piece in my foot. This one I had in my foot. Jesus Christ. I was like, why is my foot hurting so much? Turned out it was a piece of glass. And I don't know where, I think it's coming from the mirrors. Not the big one, but the small ones. But I haven't dropped it, and I haven't had them on the floor, and I haven't been standing on my bed, which I've been having the mirrors on for now. So I don't know, but I'm gonna vacuum clean. I'm pretty much done there, I think. Here, I'm just gonna, you know, move this, but all the decorations are there. There, I'm unsure of what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna fix my bed, and I'm gonna vacuum clean so I don't get any more glass in my feet. I think I'm gonna put my fairy lights right here. I had them on my mirror before, but I'm gonna put them here instead. Or it's just one. not working. Anyhow, looks pretty. I'm gonna ask if my dad can help me with that later. Okay, so changed outfit. Dirty socks. I've been out with Tina and I've eaten, so I will keep going now. It looks like the next day, but it isn't, I promise. I have this one. I don't know where to put it. I think I know. We will see. But I'm gonna watch Das Games as I fix my as I fix my bed. Now I'm done, I think. I should actually light those candles. Okay, whatever. This is it. I've had my bed like this before, many times. Forgot about that. But yeah. I am pretty done with this. How many times have I said that? Probably a lot, but this is probably, oh my god, yeah, this is my favorite part. Probably. I really like it. But that is it for this video. Enjoyed it, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon if you're already subscribed so you get notified when I upload videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you like when I clean and stuff, so I thought I could, you know, film it. But leave a like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you, bye.